Hello there. How are you doing? Welcome back. Okay. Today I am going to discuss about one of the problem which I am facing in my studio during my portrait shoot, modeling shoot, profile shoots. On my background lightings. So I bought a knee replacement product for that. Today we are going to discuss about that. Today I am using this light, which is a Simpex 400 Pro RT. Mostly it is available only in India. It may not be outside because a low budget light. Okay, this is a starter kit, you can say. Yeah. Currently I'm using this for my white backgrounds, most of the shoots. The problem with this is, here it has only full power or off power or switch off. But studios like mine, it's a very small one. It is very difficult to control the full bright light. So I have to replace this with a controllable light. I do have couple of them, but I need one more for my white background lights. So I have to replace this with this. Yes, lovely. This is Godox SK 400 2 series. It is fully controllable, excellent light for a studio strobe. It do have modeling light, so we will talk in detail that. Let's unbox this. Ooh, nice packing. Yes, very nice. You got some materials, warranty card for this, and a QC POS certificate. So we have, these are all the parts you will get along with a single light pack. It's a nice 5 meters power cord. Excellent. I have a couple of them. And it contains a fuse. You can replace if it goes off. There are 2 fuses. As I said, this is your modeling lamp. It's a bit costly, so handle with care. Yeah. Yes, finally the SK402 light itself. This is a strobe which has a remote. You can play control with it, with the light, and it comes with a nice Bowens mount. That's it. This is how it goes. And you have a nice flash tube within here, and you have to put your modeling lamp over here. Careful. Yes, this is how it goes. It has a nice, you can put it on your wall mount stand or a light stand. It has an umbrella holder. You can fit an umbrella to this, right? Let me put back so I don't by mistake broke this part, right? So this safe always. Here you have this. You have a knob to control. You have an on-off switch. It's a power cord. You can do a trigger through a remote wire, connected wires as well. So it has a group, and you have a slave 1 and 2. There is a bus you can on off if you want, right? And you can use the mode, whether it's a continuous mode or based on the power. The modeling light also works for you and shows how much power you have. This is the test site. So I just quickly connect this and show to you how does this work. Okay, currently it's on group A, right, and channel 1. So let me have my trigger, which is also channel 1. You can see this now. I can increase the power here. Power increases here as well. I keep increasing the power. Now it's in quarter power, increases of its full power now. It's on full power. Good. Let's see. Now already a modeling lamp is also on. Let's fire this and see. So just to see, we'll see here. We'll remove this cap. Wow, very, very power. So I'm going to change it to a mode of 100% off. It's a proprietary mode. What it's going to tell me, you can see, as and when I lower the power, you will see the modeling lamp also goes down, right? Excellent. So I'll just keep it on 16. Let me give a test. Wow, excellent. That's good. So let me switch it off from my lamp. Switch up the power as well. That's how it goes. Okay, so let's see, why did we buy this? As I said, the other light, which is I use it for the background, it bursts out and basically wash out because it's a full power. When I use within the lower apertures, I cannot control such powers. So I need a light which can let me control the power in the low layer as well. So this is going to help me out. Maybe in the next video, I will show you some of the samples from here. If you like this video, please do like, leave a comment. If any suggestions, please always welcome, because I like people giving me a suggestion. Learning never ends. Every day you need to learn new things, right? Please do subscribe this channel to support us. Thank you.